Hello, people. How are you today? I hope you will be a good. In this video, I will try to explain the meaning of management and the various opinions of experts.
Management understanding and expert opinion. Management is an art or principle related to organizing, such as planning, building an organization and its organization, movement, and control or supervision. Management is a systematic process in organizing so that control and supervision can be carried out to achieve certain goals. The word management comes from English, namely manage, which means to organize, plan, manage, seek, and lead. Etymologically, management is the art of implementing and managing. This is what underlies management as the art of managing and organizing so that it is neatly arranged. The term management is usually identified with the world of business and offices. Management is needed so that personal or organizational goals can be achieved. Management is also very necessary to achieve the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization's work. The person who organizes, formulates, and carries out various management actions is called a manager. The following is the definition of management according to experts. George R. Terry. Management is a process that consists of planning, organizing, mobilizing, and controlling to achieve predetermined goals. Henry Fayol. Management is a process of planning, organizing, and controlling existing resources to achieve effective and efficient goals. Liang. Management is the science and art of planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and supervising humans with the help of tools so that they can achieve goals. Ricky W. Griffin. Management is a planning process, organizational process, coordination process, and control process of resources to achieve goals effectively and efficiently. Mary Parker Foleot. Management is the art of getting things done through other people. This understanding can be interpreted as a function of a manager who regulates and directs others to achieve organizational goals. However, this understanding of management can be misinterpreted because there are other people whose purpose is to help get the job done. Federick Winslow Taylor. Management is the art of knowing what has to be done and seeing that it is done in the best possible way. Weihrich and Koontz. Management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals, working together in groups, efficiently achieve selected goals. Conclusion. The word management comes from English, namely manage, which means to organize, plan, manage, seek, and lead. The term management is usually identified with the world of business and offices. Management is needed so that personal or organizational goals can be achieved.